everyone. My name is Nikolai Shitikhin and I have Sebastian with me. How are you doing, Sebastian?
I'm good. Good to have you back here in Kartzfehn.
Yeah, it's wonderful here and it's a nice crisp day and we're back at Kartzfehn. So Sebastian, thanks for your time and I just wanted to talk to you about a little update on our project with Amino, because last time we talked to you, it was our first meeting regarding the project we just started, but now we made a little bit of progress. So maybe you can update what was done and where we're at right now.
Yeah, we start with the breeder section and we have the module running. So we have the full projection of eggs in the breeder side. We have the daily feed transaction entered on a mobile device. Maybe we can later talk to this.
Yeah.
And then we started this week with the hatchery process. So we're getting into the whole pool production, egg production and sales order planning. So we are looking forward to go on with it.
So now you had several modules implemented. You have production module, you have mobility module, you have planning module. So where do you see most benefit out of the system for Kartzfehn?
I think the most benefit is the data capture what we have achieved right now, because we have the farms running and they entering the daily feed transaction directly to the mobile version, and we have it in the same second. We have it in the office and we can rerun the projection. We have our egg projection, we have our orders, and then we have our our hatchery projection, and we have it in the same minute we're entering the data in the fields. So before we had all this pen and paper work and some calculating and a lot of mind work and so on. But now it's working with the numbers instead of for the numbers.
Right, and I think that's a perfect example. That's exactly what you want to get out of the system to help you with data collection, streamline everything, make sure that everything is standardized, so you don't have to worry about, like, am I using the right formula or in the right Excel spreadsheet? So that's super cool. And also you mentioned the direct collection of the data at the farms, and we looked at your computers. Can you please tell a little bit about those?
Yeah, we built a little Windows desktop computer. We put it in a box and we screwed a big 15-inch touchscreen monitor to it, and we screw it into the wall and directly at the egg room at our farms. So when the workers come and from collecting the eggs, they can brush it, clean it, and they put it to the egg room. In the same minute, they have this touch screen and they see, or they can book the feed transaction. And during the day, they can see the analysis, they can see reports, they can see how their farm is going, how they can see how their hens are performing, they can see standards, they can see graphs and everything, and it's directly in the hallway of the farm.
Any suggestions or any recommendations for any people that are thinking about implementing? What would you recommend? Some practical tips maybe on how to do it best?
Yeah, maybe what I said before is to get your homework done, to know your process at the moment and to know what you want your process to look like. And then with the experience of the MTech team, you can create a process how it should be done with Amino. And I think you should be don't afraid of the language barrier maybe, because there's always a way to manage it and there's always a way to get it done.
Yeah, I think also important that we talk chicken and turkey language.
Yeah, exactly.
So that's easier. But also your system is in German.
Yeah, it is.
So it helps a lot. So thank you very much, Sebastian. I really appreciate your time, and thanks, Kartzfehn, for being a valuable partner to MTech.
Yeah, thank you as well.
Thank you very much, and see you in the next episode.
Bye-bye.